What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Zach, back here with another video, and today we're going to be doing the grind 179 LeetCode prep questions. So we're going to start with the first question. This is going to be a series. If you guys like this type of work, this type of content, please hit that subscribe, like button. But basically, yeah, we're just going to go through the list, do a problem a day, 2 problems a day, maybe do a little streamathon, where we just doing the problem the whole time. Doing problems the whole time, figuring it out. So let's go ahead and get started here. So starting with this first question, 2 sums. So this is a pretty easy question. So I'm gonna read it to y'all. Given an array of integers, nums, and an array integer target, return indices of the 2 numbers such that they add up to the target. So basically, there's only gonna be one solution. You cannot use the same element twice. So here it'd be 2 and 7, 0 and 1, 1 and 2, 3 and 2. Oh, I know, 2 and 4. Alright. Okay. You have to do a time complexity of n squared. Less than n squared, right? Yeah, so n squared would be brute force, basically doing 2 for loops, looping through, adding numbers, checking to see if it's the target, which will take a lot of time. So you basically have to go through you would have to go through the loop n times n squared times worst case scenario. So what we're going to do is we're going to do it using a hash map. Hash map is a really useful data structure. It provides quick lookup times, and it's like a key and value way of searching things up. It's really easy to use. So we're going to start by declaring that. So const map is equal to new map. New map. So declare our hash map here. So now we're going to go ahead and loop through the array. So for 0, basic for loop here. Okay, I'm in I++. Alright, so now we're basic for loop. We're going to check. This is how it's going to work. You have 2. You have the target number is 9. You're on 2. 9 minus 2 is 7. So we're going to check the map to see if 7 exists. If it doesn't exist, we were going to add 2 to the map and then keep going. So then we'll be in the second value, 7. 9 minus 7. Okay, so we're looking for a 2. You look at the 2 exists because we just stored it inside the hash map, and you'll return the indices that you found it at. So we're going to say const number to look up is going to be equal to target minus nums.i. So this is the one we're looking at. So now we're going to do a if statement, if map.has number to look up. So basically, what this does is it checks to make sure that the map is in our for loop, or the number that we're looking up is in the hash map. So if it is, we're going to return the indexes. So we're going to return the map.get number to look up, as well as the index we're on. Okay, now let's say it doesn't, which is going to be most of the case. We're going to set nums i to the I, which is basically, here's the key and this is the value. The value in this case is the index, because we're looking up for the index. By looking up the value, let's say we find the value we want. Oh, we're looking for 2. We found 2. Return index, because that's what we're going to have to return and push as our solution, because we're looking for the return on the indexes, not the return on the values. As you can see here, you see 2, 7, 0, 1. Those are the corresponding indexes. So that will do that. That'll be in the for loop. If there is no solution, there's always going to be exactly one solution, but we're going to return an empty one just in case. So this should be what we need. Double checking the stream real quick. Recording, make sure everything's working properly. Yeah. So 3 milliseconds beats 68.44% people. But yeah. So one more time to explain how this kind of goes. So you have an array 2, 2, 25, 3, 6, 8, 2. And let's say you're trying to find Sorry. Let's say we're trying to find 5. So we're going to loop at 2. Okay, 2. 5 minus 2. We're looking for 3 in our hash map. It's not there. We store 3. So now our hash map is 2. That's in our hash map. So next value is 25. 25 minus 5 is 20. It's 20 in our hash table. Nope. So we're going to store 25. So we're going to have 2 and 25. Next value is 3. So we're going to have 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 is in our hash map. And here I made a mistake here, because this would be 5 minus 20. 25. So basically saying you would need to have a negative number. So it'd be negative 20. You'd be looking for negative 20. If it's not there, you've still been in the same steps, put in the 25. So yeah, it's a pretty easy, simple use of a hash map. This is an easy problem. This is the first problem in the series. So if you guys like this type of content or want to see more type of content such as like development, web development, I'm currently working on making an app. If you guys would like to see me stream stuff like that, I would be more than welcome to do that. It'd be kind of cool. Build this community. And this is my journey to being a full stack developer. So yeah, it's been real. Zach the Codeaholic signing out. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment, subscribe, like, and see you next time.